In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Amazon dark mode not working. So if you want to enable the dark mode on Amazon app, but if it is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. If you have already tried enabling the dark mode in the app settings, but still if the dark mode is not enabled, what you can do is simply try enabling the dark mode in your device. For that, scroll down from the top of your screen. After you do that, find the option for dark theme and tap on it. After you do that, you can see over here the dark theme will be enabled. Once you do that, Amazon should also be converted to the dark theme. But this might not work for all the devices. In that case, what you have to do is simply update the Amazon app in order to fix the bugs. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. After you do that, what you have to do is find the option for Amazon and tap on it. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Amazon shopping and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now try enabling the dark mode in Amazon. After that, your problem should be fixed. If still the problem is not fixed, what you can do is tap on this option uninstall that you can see on the screen. After that, tap on the uninstall option again. Now Amazon will be uninstalled. Install the Amazon application again and try enabling the dark mode and your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix Amazon dark mode not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.